What's the price?
300.
So for the course we pay 300 rupees, which
But then we get
2 euros.
2 euros, yes. So the price is 300 rupees, which is roughly 2 euro. And we get the course, the cooking course in our hostel, Kiwi hostel. Here we have our veg momos. Chicken momos. And what's the name of this? Bikol. Let's go. These are the veg ones. I'm the first person who will try. They will wait a few minutes. If I die, I die. The chicken momos. So, and the chutney.
Okay, so get me the momos.
Which ones? Very good. Chicken.
Your followers love this.
I know. Yeah.
You also have the cup.
This one is also very good.
I don't think it was you. I think it's just the weather.
Oh, I love it. That's so sick. Say your name. Logan. Yeah, that's Logan. Hello.
You can't really see him.
Hi,
Say your name.
Janneke.
Hi,
Say your name.
Natalie.